Oh! There! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you wanted to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Hey, oh, fuck this!
For the love of God, please stop! Ah, whack! Ah, this is gonna kill me. Jesus! Throw him overboard! Not the engine! Shit! Fucking engine! Oh, easy with those bricks! If you hurt my boy, or my boat, man the lifeboats, you pricks! He's a useless little shit, but he's my useless little shit!
Hey, shoot this motherfucker! Hey, ain't you covering me? Hey, this dude's gonna kill me, man!
You on the wrong boat, boy!
Nah, you on the wrong boat.